Last week, US major stock indices showed mixed dynamic. Many believe that a correction has already begun in the equity market. This is true that many indicators show fluctuations and signs of exhaustion of an upward trend. Shares of big companies have already declined, followed by a drop in stocks of tech firms on Monday. This happened mainly due to worrying signs of rising inflation and investors' concerns about a possible tightening of monetary policy. So there is no doubt that currently stocks are at their peak values. You can see this on the weekly chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. During the week, it sank considerably but managed to recoup some of its losses. It failed to reach a new historical high, though. At the beginning of the new week, it's trading at the level of 34,400. Its further movement will depend on the US employment data, which is due on Wednesday. However, the impact of negative inflation data is likely to be less pronounced than previously expected. This is why the Dow will stay in the range of 33,500, 34,500 until the end of the week. The S&P 500 index performed slightly better. The index recovered to its previous levels after falling last week. Now it is trading at 4,180, which is its highest level. Judging by technical and fundamental analysis, we assume that by the end of the week, the index is likely to be trading below 4,150. The resistance level is located at 4,050. The quote may try to test it in the short term. The NASDAQ composite shows a similar dynamic. After dropping on May 13 and 14, the shares of companies included in this index regained ground. Now the NASDAQ index is trading near 3,400. Experts predict that by the end of the week the quote will grow a little, so there is still time to open long positions. The index is likely to be trading in the range from 13,350 to 13,450 in the next few days. According to various reports, AT&T's Warner Media Group is merging with the reality programmer Discovery. If so, a new streaming giant with a market cap of about $150 billion will appear. In the case of a successful negotiation, the stocks of the media giant will soar. After the recent decrease, Tesla shares began to rise slowly to their previous levels. Elon Musk announced that Tesla suspended accepting Bitcoin as payment for its vehicles. The cryptocurrency plunged, which also adversely affected the company's shares. Analysts are confident that Tesla shares will soon start moving up quickly again. This is a good chance for traders to enter the market. It is also recommended to pay attention to the shares of Target, a serious competitor of Walmart. Despite the temporary corrections, the shares of this retail giant have been growing in a non-stop upward trend for the past few years. Perhaps the current short-term problems of Walmart may have a positive impact on the development of the Target retail network. The US stock indices have started a new week on a pessimistic note amid the news about the cryptocurrency sell-off, which may affect the shares of tech companies. Apart from the negative news from the crypto market, Wall Street traders are worried about the emergence of a new, more actively spreading strain of COVID-19 in India. This may pose a great threat to the rapid global economic recovery. This is why investors prefer sitting on the sidelines and refrain from opening long positions in the near future. That's all for now. You've watched a weekly financial review on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina, and stay tuned.